I'm going to present to you, first of all, the Merit Award. This year, there's two divisions. We have the first division with an average of 75 to 84%. The honor student and the second division is the honor students. And those are the students that hold an average of 85% and over. So I'm going to begin. First one, Ricky Wiseout, first division. Ricky is not here? Aww. All right. Okay. The next student, Shannon Mitchell. Shannon. 2 years. So she's maintained this average of 77% for the last 2 years. Our next graduate, Mariah Metallic. Her average, 77% the last 2 years. The next graduate, Yasmin Isaac. Yasmin. Yasmin's average was 83% for the last 2 years. Wonderful, wonderful. Congratulations. First division, Nadia Wizoz. Nadia's average was 84% the last 2 years. Next recipient, Josephine Slaughter. Josephine's average, 84%. Honor student, average of 85% and over, Emily Doucette Germain. Her average was 85%. Congratulations. Next honoree, Shoshana Isaac. Her average, 88%. Next recipient, Ronald Swanson. His average for the last 2 years, 92%. Next recipient, Randy Swanson. His average, 93%. The next recipient, Mary Shore. Her average, 93%. Did I tell you, Chief and Council, this is other extra related duties. So you get to stay up here. So I'm going to present to you and announce the Jack Resort Memorial Scholarship, and that goes out to Mary Shore. Yes, this time it's checks. From now on, it's checks. All right. More money. All right, the Reuben James Memorial Scholarship is presented to Randy Swasson. Congratulations. I just want to mention that those two scholarships are $1,000 each.